Yudee, what are you doing?
Oh, hi, I'm doing a listening test, but I'm having a difficult time selecting the correct answer.
Really?
Yes?
Isn't that perfect? Today, we're going to do a listening test tutorial. Directions. You will hear 4 statements for each photograph in this sample test. Select the sentence that best describes what you see in the picture. These statements will not be printed for you in the real test. However, for this tutorial, we will show you the sentences with the pictures afterwards and explain why you should or should not choose those sentences. For this example, look at the picture. You will hear 4 statements. Choose the letter for the statement that best describes the photograph.
Example A.
The bowling pins have all fallen down.
B.
Everyone is watching the game.
C.
The bowling pins are on the table.
D.
The men in the back are looking at the man bowling. The sentence that best describes this picture is B. Everyone is watching the game. Therefore, you should select B.
Number 1. A.
There are 3 men forming a ring at the beach.
B.
All of these people are having dessert.
C.
A group of people are standing in a circle.
D.
There are several people surfing at the shore.
Number 2. A.
The astronauts are exiting the room.
B.
The men are climbing up the stairs.
C.
The astronauts are landing on the moon.
D.
The men are flying the spaceship.
Number 3. A.
These people are having a picnic lunch.
B.
There are many umbrellas for sale here.
C.
It is raining very hard.
D.
These people are protecting themselves from the sun.
Number 4. A.
The man is holding his breath underwater.
B.
The man is inspecting his mask.
C.
The man is swimming in the swimming pool.
D.
The man is wearing all of his equipment.
Number 5. A.
There are 3 small boats in the water.
B.
The man in the back is holding onto his paddle.
C.
These people are enjoying themselves on the lake.
D.
The person in the front of the canoe is looking ahead.
Number 6. A.
The woman is leading the buffalo through the field.
B.
The woman on the buffalo is smiling at the man.
C.
Both of the people are sitting on top of the buffalo.
D.
The buffalo has extremely small horns. Okay, we've reached the end of our listening test. Now we're going to take you through every photograph and every sentence that you heard. We'll check the wrong sentences first and give you clues and keys for how to choose the wrong questions. One of the keys to listening tests is that it's not enough to find one key word because almost all of the sentences have some of the sentence correct. How can you help, Yudee?
Don't worry, I will help you when I hear an incorrect word.
Okay, so let's go through the sentences one by one, listening for incorrect words. Number 1A was, there are 3 men forming a ring at the beach.
Did you hear that? 3 men.
Yeah, the 3 men. Yes, they're at the beach. This is clearly a beach here. But 3 men? No. There's a lot more than 3 men. The best strategy to use in this case is to delete the sentences that you know are incorrect, and then you'll be left with a smaller number of options. B. All these people are having dessert.
Dessert is something that you eat.
I don't see anyone eating dessert here. Yes, they're in sand. That could be called a desert. Often these tests will include homonyms or close homonyms, which means words that sound the same but aren't the same. Dessert is food, desert is sand. D. There are several people surfing at the shore.
The key words for me is surfing. Surfing is an activity that you have to do in the sea.
Yeah, and the shore is a synonym for the beach, but they're clearly not surfing. There is some equipment here that we see, which may be lifeguard equipment. Some of it may include similar things to surfing equipment, but they're not actually surfing. So we can delete D as well. Finally, C. A group of people are standing in a circle. So C is the correct choice. For all of these examples, we're going to leave the correct answer till last. Because A is the correct answer, we're skipping directly to B. The men are climbing up the stairs.
Climbing is a verb that you do from a lower level to a higher level.
Correct, Yudee. Climbing would mean they're going this way. And they're clearly not going this way. They are going this way. C. The astronauts are landing on the moon.
I don't see any moon.
Yes, they are astronauts, but I don't see a moon here either. D. The men are flying a spaceship.
I don't see a spaceship either.
Yeah, neither do I. So you can delete D too. Lastly, we go back to A. The astronauts are exiting the room. Exiting means going out. Here is a room. This is an astronaut. Here's another astronaut. This may be an astronaut as well, but they are clearly exiting the room. A. These people are having a picnic lunch.
I don't see any food there.
There are picnic tables, but there is no lunch. B. There are many umbrellas for sale here.
This one is very tricky. Yes, they are umbrellas, but they are not for sale.
Here's an umbrella, here's an umbrella, here's an umbrella, and here's an umbrella. So the keyword umbrellas isn't enough to answer this question correctly. C. It is raining very hard.
I don't see any rain here.
In the background you can see the sky is quite clear. It's a sunny day, not a rainy day. D. These people are protecting themselves from the sun. These umbrellas are clearly being used to protect from the sun. A. The man is holding his breath under the water.
Did you hear that? Under the water, but actually he is not under the water.
See, the water's here, and he is partly above the water. C. The man is swimming in the swimming pool.
Swimming? Really? Is he really swimming?
It is a swimming pool. Yes, that's clear. But his activity is not swimming. D. The man is wearing all of his equipment. Here is his equipment. Is he wearing it? No, he hasn't put it on yet. B. The man is inspecting his mask.
Inspecting means you are looking at something carefully.
Yeah, he is clearly inspecting the mask. A. There are 3 small boats in the water.
I see only one boat.
Yeah, there's one boat here. Even though there are 3 people, this is another example where one key word isn't enough. B. The man in the back is holding on to his paddle.
So this one you have to look at the man in the back. Did you see the paddle is not in his hands?
D. The person in the front of the canoe is looking ahead.
The person in the front is looking back.
Yeah, he's not looking ahead. C. These people are enjoying themselves on the lake.
Yes, I guess it's the correct one because they are laughing.
Smiling, laughing, and he's clearly playing. That's not the way you normally paddle a canoe. A. The woman is leading the buffalo through the field.
The woman is not ahead, but she is on the buffalo.
Yeah, she's on the buffalo, but here it's the man leading the buffalo. You can see most of the sentence is correct, but the keyword woman is wrong. C. Both of the people are sitting on top of the buffalo.
Both means 2, but there is only one woman.
Yeah, he is not sitting on top of the buffalo. D. The buffalo has extremely small horns.
I don't think so.
I don't think
right?
so either.
That horns are so big.
I have never seen such big horns. B. The woman on the buffalo is smiling at the man. She does have a beautiful smile, and she's clearly smiling at the man. That's it for today. We hope you enjoyed studying with us at Eastland English. I'm Rob.
I'm Yudee.
If you like our tutorials, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click notifications so that you will be notified every time we make a new video. See you next time.
See you.